This project is about hotel room booking. So this application is developed using VB.NET as the front end and MySQL Server 2008 as the back end. And this is the login form. We need to enter the username and password in order to get into the application. So once the username, password and the credential are matched, we can use this application. So these are the modules used in the application. So in the master entries module, we have the resort details. So this form will display the details of the resort. So you can update the details anytime using this update button. So next form we have is qualification details. So this form is used to store all the qualification details. So that can be used in the later forms as a drop down. So this is to show the relational database in the application. So we have the new save, modify and delete button. So in order to save this, we need to click on the new button to enable, and then we have to enter the details, then save. If you want to modify and delete any values here, we need to fetch the values back to the text box. Then we need to modify or delete this. So this is about the qualification form, and next we have the room type details. So in this room type details, the admin need to enter all the details regarding the rooms that they offer for the customers. So enter any details regarding the rooms like AC, non-AC, then we need to save, or anytime we can modify or delete the values. So next module we have the employee details. So in this form, all the employees that are currently working in this hotel or the resort, we can maintain the details about that employee by filling up this application. So the admin will be entering all the details regarding the employee, and they can store that in the database. So he can update or delete the particular employee anytime. So next is the room details form. So in this form, the admin need to particularly mention what and all the room numbers are available and what are the specifications that are available in the particular room. So he'll be entering the room details and the specification that will be used in order for the customers to book or check out or check in the rooms for the in the resort. The next is the check-in and check-out module. So in this, so it will display all the rooms that are available in the resort. So we need to, admin need to particularly select in which room the customer is booking. So if I select the particular room, so it will display the details of the room, and when the customer is checking in, the admin need to take the customer details. So he has to enter the name of the particular customer, address, mobile number, so then the date of checking in and to which date they'll be available. So next we need to give the advance amount if any they are paying, so then click on check-in button. So the details will be saved in that particular room details with a particular customer name. So if this customer is checking out on that particular date, the admin will be again fetching the values, then he can seek the values from the database. So we can click on checkout button in order to print the bill. So next we have the reports. So the admin can generate the reports of the particular hotel. So he can list the employees that are currently working. So it will list all the employees that are available, and if we need, he can take the print of it. He can also get the room details report, and he can print it as well. Next we have the room booking details. So here we can particularly display the report regarding on the booking date. So if I select the date, and when I click on display button, it will only display the particular bookings that are done in this date, and also I can print this. And the billing report regarding from which date to which date, if I want to display the details of the billing, I can get the values, and also I can print these details. This is about the hotel management project.